Overtrading is a major cause of failure in trading, coupled with over-leveraging, which makes it a concussion for disaster. I know what you're thinking, this only happens to beginners in the game. But what if I told you that even your favorites have to deal with this conflict on a daily basis? But the only difference is the level of discipline and experience attained over the years. Now, it doesn't have to take you that long to get there. That's why in this video, I'm going to be talking about things you could do today to skip the line and get ahead of the rest. Without further ado, let's get started. First things first, let's define what overtrading is in the Forex market. Overtrading in the Forex market is when a trader opens more position than it can actually handle, that their account size can actually handle, which will be contrary to their trading plan if they have one. And it's also considered overtrading when a trader leaves a position to run longer than it should necessarily be for. For example, holding a losing position in hopes of a reversal, or holding a winning trade that you eventually turn into a losing trade because you were holding for too long. Next is, why do we overtrade? You might be wondering, why do we overtrade? Well, people overtrade because they don't really understand or don't take the time to understand how the market really works and what the business of trading is really all about. Which, for example, less is more in trading, which means the less trades you take, the more chances you stand of being profitable or reaching your goals in the market. Another example is, no action is still action in trading. And what I mean by that is being able to stay patient and sit on your hands and wait for days, hours maybe, or weeks for an opportunity that fits your trade plan or strategy to appear before you take a trade is also action. So that period of time when you're waiting patiently day in, day out is also action in the market. Some people don't understand this, thereby leading to overtrading, over leveraging, and eventually losing account. They don't trust their system. They only think about the money involved. They haven't validated their edge or strategy in the market, or they don't have a trading rule at all. These are the reasons why we overtrade in the market. It's simple and clear. Many traders know about this but still fall for this mistake, which is normal. We fall, but that's why we have a journal to keep us in track, to keep us revising our decisions in the market, our strategy, and our edge. Down to the main purpose of this video, which is how to overcome overtrading in the Forex market. I have 5 main points to talk about, and I'm going to briefly go over them in this video. First thing to do to overcome overtrading in the Forex market is learning about the market behavior. Now, what this means is taking your time to understand market movements, taking your time to understand the technical analysis, the fundamentals, how both of them affect each other, the roles that they play. Understanding this gives you a foundation or a platform where you can now build an edge or a strategy on how to approach the market on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. You can learn about the market behaviors by doing proper research, by backtesting, forward testing, by taking a course from a reliable mentor and actually putting in the work and chart time to get the information needed. Now, the second way to overcome overtrading is having a comprehensive trade plan. Now, one of my videos, I talked about how I struggled with having a trade plan in my first year of trading and how I managed to get that trade plan. Now, a good and comprehensive trade plan consists of a few subtopics like risk management, technical strategy, entries and exits, risk per position, how you journal your trade. All these things are engulfed inside the trade plan itself. For risk management, knowing how much you're risking per trade, how much your risk tolerance is, on days of news, on days of no volume, on days, on different days and different conditions in the market. You have a plan for it. You have a particular amount of money or percentage that you're willing to put on the line for that day. And in terms of technical strategy, which is basically your understanding of the chart, your understanding of candlesticks, your understanding of patterns, your understanding of market structure. These are all part of the trade plan, and you have to have it all dialed down and aligned with each other for them to work for you. It reduces impulsive decision in the market. Third way to overcome overtrading in the Forex market is having your emotions in check. Now, this is something that is not really in our control, but we do our best to have our emotions in check by having a structure in our trading, because they say be emotionless or don't have emotions, but in reality it's almost impossible not to have emotions. We're humans and we have emotions. We have good days and we have bad days, and believe it or not, your good and your bad days reflect in the market, reflect in the way you talk to people, reflect in the way you treat people, reflect in the way you treat your own self on a daily basis. So in the market, having a poor mindset or a poor emotion or market reflects on your trading, because now you're thinking too much about the money, you're thinking too much about your personal problems. You're thinking too much of every other thing than the market itself that is right in front of you. So having poor emotions in the market can be very subtle. You expect it to be this, anger that is, very robust, but no, or this bad emotion that you can feel, but no, it usually comes in a subtle way that you may not be able to tell that you're having a bad day because you're probably in denial, or you feel that you can control it because you think you're a pro and it's not going to affect your performance, but it really does on the long run. So denial does not change the fact that you've had a bad day, or you had a bad day yesterday, and you're bringing it into your trading without resolving that. So all the stuff comes together and affects your emotions on the chart, and your performance definitely takes a hit as well. But the first thing on how to overcome overtrading in the market is to audit your approach, which simply means do more of what works and do less of what doesn't work. Doing this eliminates time wasting and helps you focus more on the productive aspect of your strategy. That's how you audit your approach in the market, thereby putting yourself at an advantage to capitalize on the opportunities that have been presented to you on a daily basis. And the final thing to overcome overtrading in the market is taking breaks. I don't do this often, but I know it's very effective to take breaks, especially when you've had a rough day, the market is probably not going your way. It's important to realize and be aware of this thing happening and not be in doubt, not push it to the side, be aware of it, and then actually take the action to take break. Close your computer, close your books or whatever you're doing, and go take a break. Also realize that it's better to leave to trade another day than to make a drastic decision that is going to ruin your opportunities and your chances to be successful. So taking breaks separates you from the charts or from the pain and gives you time to reflect and recollect your thoughts, recollect your actions, and come back a better person. To recap, the 5 things I mentioned on how to overcome overtrading in Forex is 1. Learn about the market's behavior. 2. Have a comprehensive trade plan. 3. Check your emotions in the market. 4. Audit your approach to the market. And 5. Take breaks. And there you have it, guys. I just wanted to come here and make a short video about this topic because I believe it's going to be beneficial for someone out there in their own personal trading journey, because we all have different levels of challenges in the market that we have to deal with on a daily basis. So, and if I could make even one person's trading journey or process easier, then this video has been a success. If you gained something valuable from this video or you enjoyed it, smash the like and subscribe button to help the channel grow and reach more audience. Also, comment what type of content you would like to see next, and I'll do my best to make that happen. Thanks for staying to the end. I appreciate you. Peace and love.